Each time we're asked to determine molar mass using colligative properties, we're going to follow the same two steps. First, to calculate the particle concentration, and then use whatever concentration unit that is to back calculate the molar mass. In this case, we're using freezing point depression. So we're going to determine first what the value of delta TF is based on the freezing point of the pure solvent and the freezing point of the solution, both of which are given to us in the problem. Then we can calculate our molarity. We're given the freezing point of the pure solvent and the freezing point of the solution. The difference between these is going to be the delta TF. So we're going to subtract this value from the freezing point of our pure solvent to get our delta TF. Alright, so here we have solved for the molality of the solution. We have our delta TF divided by our Van 't Hoff factor, which is 1 since this is a molecular compound. And then we're going to divide by the value of Kf that's given to us in the problem. Okay, we just finished calculating the molality of our solution on the prior screen. Now we want to calculate the formula weight. We'll start with the definition of molality. Molality is moles per kilogram. Now we're going to expand this to incorporate molecular weight. We determine the moles of something by dividing the mass by the molecular weight. Now we're going to solve this equation for the molecular weight. Alright, so we can solve for our molecular weight. We know the mass of our solute. It's given to us in the statement of the question. We know the molality. We just calculated that in the prior screen. And we know the kilograms of solvent. It's given to us in the statement of the question also. So we just plug and chug. Alright, we have our solution set up here. Let's see what happens with the units. Our kilograms here cancel, so the units survive are grams per mole, which are the appropriate units for a formula weight. So let's just chunk this out. Okay, and we're done. Our molecular weight, or experimental molecular weight that we have for beta-carotene is 537 grams per mole.